Which one should I choose? Parachute. Okay. Dang it. Ooh, I think I should press it. What? Oh, one. Oops. Sorry about that.
Now you get to work, Ethan.
Okay. Hello everybody, this is Great Math number 32 of me, Ethan, and... What the heck? Alright, are you thinking what I'm thinking right here?
Dun, dun, dun.
Yep. A whole big problem. Because look, really big, really confusing. Fortunately, I know how to do it. And to get for problems like this, I'll be able to show you. Because this is algebra. Duh. Anyways, let's get through this first part. Oh, Mr. Cameraman, you forgot to put in one thing.
What?
Put it in.
Okay.
You cannot be simplified.
Okay. Okay, you say it. It's okay.
B may not be simplified.
Yes, thank you, temporary cameraman.
You're quite welcome.
Let me show you a smaller example. So let's say square root of let's say fifth. No. I tried to do that. Yeah. Say we're doing a square root of 30. So. Oh wait.
Technical difficulties.
Come on. Alright, temporary cameraman, can you give me an example quickly?
Of what?
Alright, just give me a random number.
45.
Yes.
That's not a perfect square.
That's not a perfect square, 25?
50.
Good. 50.
Oh, you want to know.
Yes. Alright, 50. So basically you can rate it like this. So basically you can separate it into 25 times 2, which is basically, whoa.
Make sure the entire thing is in the square, sir.
Okay, thank you.
In the square root. Yes.
Alright, and then this is, since 25 is a square, it equals 5. Which is basically why I did not want 25 in the first place.
What, sir? Is it only 5?
Yes, because 2 is not a square.
Oh, I see.
See, so now given that example.
No, it's erased.
Oh, we need word for space anyway. Anyway, so for this big number, we can do the same for big numbers, except if you do it the normal way, it'll take longer. So I decided to use a tactic.
A tactic.
Yeah, tactic. Alright.
Tax.
Anyways, this line is basically on this side. This is what has to be divided, and this side is what it's being divided by.
Oh,
and
I
also
see.
this side is also the result part. So 600 divided by 2 is 300, and
Divide by 3.
no, I'm still gonna do 2 because I'm only using prime numbers only, and also
3 is.
as simply. I know, but I'm still using 2 so that I don't, because I can still divide by 2. So 300 divided by 2 is 150. Convenient. Divided by 2 equals 75, and this is where I switch to 5. Which equals 15, which equals 5, and then time. Which divided by 5 equals 3, and then divided by 3 is 1. So basically, 1's not going to be there at all, but I decided to just put it in there anyway.
So basically, what you're trying to say, it'll be 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5 times 3.
Yes.
Ah, I'm
yes,
actually
but
smart.
But here. But anyways, let me just rewrite it. 2.
You should do like 2 cubed. No, you should do 2 cubed times 5.
No, I'm only going to use 2 squared because, well, basically,
It can't
2
get out?
equals 2 squared, and that'll be able to get out.
Ah, I see.
Yes.
Make the line longer.
Thanks for reminding me. Anyways, we don't have to do the same thing for 150 because we already did it here. Basically, 2 times 5 times 5 times 3. So basically, 2 times 5 squared times 3. This comes to show how sometimes problems can be that confusing.
Exactly, sir.
Yes, and now this one. So basically, I'm going to use the same technique again.
Bye, bird.
Alright, please don't fart that loud. Anyways, so do you remember technique?
Yes, I do, sir. Is it the one that you do the line thingy and like you did on your let's say
yes. Anyways,
left?
we have to continue.
No, you're white. No, yeah, left. White.
Hurry up, cause basically I need to continue on the video.
Yes, sir.
Anyways, so basically on here, so 54 divided by 2, it is equal to 27, which is a multiple of 3, which is equal to 9, which divided by 3 equals 3, and then, yes, so basically 2 times 3 squared times 3. In this video, I'm only going to use 3 squared because it basically will get the whole thing out there. Makes it easier. Anyway, so are we good with these two?
Yes, sir, we are.
Alright, I'll erase them.
Can you move your shoulder down just a bit? Thank you.
Alright, so basically our next part. These two, we probably need to do the same thing again. So basically if you weren't listening to me for the last 3 or 2, you can skip ahead. But if you weren't listening, you have to look. If you were listening, you can skip ahead. If you were not, and do it on your own, but if you were not listening, please continue on. So basically, again, 6 here, then 32, 2. So 32 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 equals 8. Divided by 2 equals 4. Divided by 2 equals 2. Divided by 2 is 1. So 2 squared times 2 squared times 2. How many 2's are in there? Anyways, next one. 2 times. Alright, basically we already did this. 2 times 5 squared. Yes. I already showed you earlier as an example, so you should probably already know this by now. Oh, we got a Mondo big number. basically 2, 8, 8, 2. So basically 288 divided by 2 is 144 divided by 2 equals 72. Divided by 2 is equal to 36. Divided by 2 is equal to yes. It's equal to 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. And then divided by 3 is equal to divided by 3 is equal to 3. Then the 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Yes. So basically 2 squared times 2 squared times 2 times 3 squared. Okay. So now basically at this point we know what to do. We get those that are squared out of the square root, because basically think of the square root as a prison. A prison cell, to be exact. Only those with a square can get out. But those that does not have a square cannot get out. So basically 2 squared times 2, the square root of 2 squared times 2 will equal to 2 times the square root of 2. So that'll basically be right. See what I mean? The ones that doesn't have a square root cannot get out, but the ones with the ones that do not have a square cannot get out the square root, but the ones with a square can get out there. So basically we have to get the ones with the square out of the square root. So 2 times 5 times square root of 2 times 3, which is equal to, which you will know will equal 6. Also, you should probably also do some anyways, next one is 5 times the square root of 2 times 3 plus 3 times the square root of 2 times 3. See anything familiar of these? You guessed it. The square roots have 2 times 3 on each end, which will basically equal to 6. But the reason why they have to be there is because if they are different, you cannot add them up. So basically, if they are different, then good luck with any of them, or subtracting, or multiplying, or subtracting, or multiplying, or dividing. Anyway, still you will not be able to do anything with numbers that are different. Anyways, 6 times 4, because 2 times 2 equals 4. Because there's 2 square roots. Get out. But if you add those up, that could actually equal 4 squared. I'm serious. Times the square root of 2. Well, actually, to let you know, the only difference here is that this is a denominator, this is a numerator. So therefore, these two things can be different. We don't have to do anything to relate with these. Don't be overly worried about that, ever. Anyways, 2 times 5 times square root of 2. Then minus 2 times 2 times minus 4 times 3 times the square root of 2. Yes. Anyways, this point, it's fairly simple. 10 times the square root of 6 minus 5 times the square root of 6 plus 9 times the square root of 6. Six times 40 equals 24 times the square root of 2 minus 10 times the square root of 2 minus 12 times the square root of 2. At this point, it's very simple. If we know all the rules, you definitely know what to do now. So basically, 5 times the square root of 6, well, because 10 minus 5 equals 5, plus 9 times the square root of 6, and then, wait a minute. If you're wondering what this is supposed to be an example. This is supposed to equal to this, where the square root of b cannot be simplified. And of course, with these letters, they could be any number. And anyways, let's quickly finish up because I don't have it. So 14 times the square root of 2 minus 12 times the square root of 2. So this will equal 14 times the square root of 6 divided by 2 times the square root of 2. So anyways, in order to get to this state, we have to separate the numbers that are not in the square root from the numbers in the square root. So it'll equal 14 divided by 2 times the square root of 6 divided by 2. Well, but we're still not done yet. We have to get rid of the fractions. Of course, if you already did simple math, you should probably know that 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 14 divided by 2 is 7. So that's our answer. So thank you for watching. I hope you can hit that subscribe button and that like button in the face. Also let you know, subscribe to Apartment in France for more videos of me and Jean-Pierre. Anyways, I'll see you later. Goodbye.